No Limits, a story celebrating the unconditional love of a father. Written by Ashley Finley. Illustrated by Agia Putri. I love you if you're big or small. Your age doesn't matter to me at all. I love you when you're quiet as a mouse. I love you when your voice is as big as a house. I love you when you're neat and clean. I love you when you're in between. I love you when you learn something new. I love you when you're stuck like glue. I love you when you win first place. I love you when you're last to finish the race. I love you when you make mistakes. I love you no matter how long it takes. I love you no matter what you wear. I love you with different styles of hair. I love you anywhere you are. I love you when you're near or far. I love you when you're feeling glad. I love you whether you're mad or sad. I love you when you do as I say. I love you when you try another way. I love you when you want to hide. I love you when you beam with pride. I love you when you're feeling brave. I love you when you feel afraid. There's nothing you could ever do to make me stop loving you. I love you so much, don't you know? There are no limits to how far my love for you can go.